This is London with Bitcoin Spike. I'm going to walk you through what a pullback is in the market, what just happened in Bitcoin. Let's go through the details. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're going to discuss the descending triangle currently in play. Yesterday, we talked about the 4-hourly on the Bollinger Band. Please pay attention, the 4-hourly on the Bollinger Band. What did we set right above the 20 moving average? Just so that you know, this is a doji. Always be prepared for a potential change in direction if and when you see a doji. It will look like a cross. That's the 4-hourly Bollinger Band. Now, what did I walk the VIP through last night? This is a peek into VIP exclusive material, number one trade group. Take a look at where I identified yesterday in the chart pattern, okay? I identified this descending triangulation before the break to the downside. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. But I was pointing out the fact, and pay attention, that this green circle would have represented a pullback. Bam, that we would have represented a pullback here at that level, and that we hadn't had that pullback yet. What I informed the VIP of, and I want to shout out to the VIP, great returns, guys, great returns. Exciting to see those returns. And let's just take a look at the specifics that I brought up after talking about that pullback. 67% likelihood. We're a probability-based trade group. 67% likelihood based upon the head and shoulders pattern or upon the descending triangle, the patterns in play. We were looking at a 60 plus percentage likelihood that we would throw back to this prior level of support. So looking at the chart pattern, when you saw the price action today, some of you may have been surprised. Let's dig into the details. When you see this type of a move, and I want to distinguish this for you, when you see this type of a move, a pullback, okay? Now a pullback will be when we have some negative price action, it's pulling back towards a prior level of support. A throwback, just so you understand the terminology, and you see our indicator at work right now. Very nicely done. Indicator caught the green byline on the 1-hourly. Beautifully well done, guys. But looking at a throwback situation would be if and when we were up and above a level of resistance, right? A breakout to the upside, and a throwback would be back down to that pattern. So a pullback would be a pull back up into the pattern or to the line of support, and a throwback would be from the top side, just so that you understand that terminology. Now, what is the pattern that's currently in play? Let me go ahead and redraw this just so that we are in line with the probabilities. We always want to be in line with the probabilities, without a doubt, guys. Looking at those throwbacks, they pay. Let's take a look at Venus. Congratulations, Venus, another awesome trade, 200%, beautifully well done. And you had some company in terms of other traders. I believe, look at Gulshan, 321%, rocking it, catching the moves in the back. I know Sidra, you're in here as well. There we go, 143%. So guys, way to trade, way to trade. Number one trade group, we always have been, and guys, just nice. We have some heavy hands in the back. That's one thing that we pride ourselves on, guys. Not light trades. Some traders really coming to the market looking for those profits. Congratulations to all the VIP. Looking at the level of support, level of resistance, the descending triangulation. Now, I'm bringing this up for a specific reason right now. And when we deal with the probabilities, we're dealing with the most comprehensive, I want to let you know, the most comprehensive authority on empirical data set, as I'd say, probability statistics that have been compiled on the overall broader market. So when we talk about, let's say in a bear market, 42% chance to the upside, that's going to be a 42% chance of a descending triangle moving to the upside, okay, an up breakout. That's going to be exactly what we're looking at right now. So roughly a 60-40 split as you look at positioning yourself in this market with this pattern, with all of the other dynamics in play. And I will let you know if you choose to take a contrarian position. There's nothing wrong with that. People choose all the time to trade contrary to the market. Just understand that if you're taking a contrary position, that indeed it is such. So you would be betting against the probabilities if you were to, guys, take an aggressive stance towards this flat bottom support, descending line of resistance. And on the differentiated time frames, you will see a bit more conformance with a perfectly flat bottom here, support on that 30-minute, etc. Wanted to bring you the update in terms of this specific pullback. I'm glad that you guys caught this in the back. Way to go. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.